AnagenFX is a comprehensive scalp and hair care system engineered by board-certified hair restoration specialists and our clinical pharmacy team. AnagenFX was specifically designed to help those patients that are either losing their hair or suffering from hair thinning issues commonly defined as alopecia, male pattern baldness, or female pattern hair loss. We have a prescription hair kit. It requires daily use. And the hair kit is designed to focus on the health of your hair, scalp, adequate nutrition, and again to help stimulate some of those multi-potential cells in the hair follicle to grow. The normal pH of the hair and scalp is about 4.5. It's acidic. By having an acidic cleanser and an acidic revitalizer, it helps maintain that pH. The cleanser actually helps clean off dead skin cells, dirt, oil, and bacteria from the scalp. The revitalizer is designed to help restore that normal pH, and in doing so, it helps flatten the cuticle cells on the outer layer of the hair shaft. So within a couple weeks, you'll actually feel like you have more hair and you have more volume. The other thing, by restoring the normal pH, you may notice decreased shedding within 30 days. Over the next 3 to 6 weeks, you will begin to get new hair growth. Hair requires constant nutrition. Hair is over 90% keratin protein. It's amino acids linked end to end. So this is a supplement that is actually the individual amino acid. It immediately supplies what the hair needs for growth. And then lastly is our foam prescription follicle stimulator. And what we've done is take 4 prescription ingredients, minoxidil, latanoprops, finasteride, and tretinoin, and put it in one product in a foam base. And the base is significant because it allows and enhances penetration of those active ingredients so that it's safer than having to take medications internally. AnagenFX is the foundation for any hair therapy program. To get started with AnagenFX, contact a hair restoration specialist and ask them about AnagenFX.